Welcome everyone. Today I'm spending a beautiful summer day, this peaceful pond. And honestly, this is exactly the kind of place that reminds us to slow down and enjoy life's simple moment. Just look at the calm water, the gentle ripples, and these lovely ducks swimming together. It's amazing how nature creates such a peaceful atmosphere without saying a single word. The, sh- the shade from this beautiful tree makes this spot even more relaxing, while the warm summer sunshine lights up everything around the pond. You can hear the birds, feel the gentle breeze, and simply forget about stress of the life. Summer holidays are not always about traveling far away. Sometimes the most beautiful memories are made quiet place like these, watching ducks. Yeah, watching ducks. Thanks for joining me on this little summer escape. If you enjoy this peaceful moment, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more beautiful nature videos. Until next time, stay happy, stay positive, and keep exploring the beauty of nature. See you guys on the next vlog.